Yeah, hi dosto. Thanks for watching my previous video and thanks for subscribing my channel. So today's topic is going to explain that what is FANG. While searching any jobs or in a LinkedIn, we get to know that hey, I got an offer from FANG, blah blah blah. So what does this term FANG mean? So please watch this video till the end because it will be very interesting one, and I would also explain you that why Microsoft is not a FANG, not in FANG. When I heard this term, that okay, this is the now the latest, the biggest company, okay, group of company, I would say, or a group of company which people want to work, but in that list, Microsoft or IBM, those companies are not there. So why those companies are not there? So all those thing, all those explanation, I'm going to tell in this video. So please watch my video till the end. And regarding subscription, I would request you that if you like my video, then please subscribe my channel. So let's start. So what does this FANG, FAANG, this FANG mean? Actually, these are a group of, I would say, the five best company or the most popular company of America. So what are those company? What are this FAANG FANG, or what are those company which are under this group? Actually, it's not a group, but people have made this group and call it popularly as FANG. So F starts for Facebook. So we all know that's Facebook, yeah, and now it's become a big software giant, and it's worked mainly on analytic and social media. Facebook we all knows, but other than they worked on many analytic works also. Okay, so lots of engines work behind the Facebook social media. So lots of business and all those things also happen, right? And they occur many other companies also, like WhatsApp, Instagram, all those things, all those kind of work has come under the Facebook umbrella. So the first company which is under FANG is Facebook. F for Facebook. A for Amazon. You also know, right? Amazon.in. It's a uh, e-commerce website, and then Amazon have their cloud service also. So the second company in a FANG is Amazon. The third company in a FANG is Apple. Who does not know Apple, right? I never use an Apple mobile. Your kind of information. But everybody knows Apple, right? They have their own set of hardware, software they made for their mobiles and the laptop. The laptops come with a Mac name, so Mac and Apple both come under the umbrella of an Apple. Then come Netflix, right? I would say the father of OTT platform. Okay, the Netflix in India, Netflix are fairly popular, but it has few other competitors also. But in America or in many other company, Netflix is the leader, right? OTT leader. Mm. Uh, then comes the last but not the least, the Google. So these five companies are popularly called as FANGs: Facebook, Amazon, Apple, Netflix, and Google. Now these now many other companies were also there, which are pretty big, which are pretty good and big, like Oracle, IBM, Microsoft. These are also Fortune 500 company, but those companies have not been considered as a FANG. What are the reason? The reason are their business and their technological term. Okay, I mean, if you see the five company which I have told, Facebook, Amazon, Apple, Netflix, and Google, they mainly worked on their own products, right? They they I know that Amazon also gave a service, Amazon Web Service, but that money which they get from there, the business which they done from there is comparatively less than what they get from their e-commerce sites, or what they done get from the products. Similarly for Facebook, uh, I know the Facebook business partner, some things are there, but all those things are entitled within their products, Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, and some business partners also. Similarly, Amazon have AWS server. That's you can say that as a service. I mean, they provide a service, and then they have their own clouds. They work there also. Their employee works to make their clouds better, right? And they have their e-commerce sites. They have the business sites. I mean, where many other business integration happen with the Amazon. Okay, in yeah, like Cash Karo or Groupon, they give some coupons. How they give that? I mean, there must be some other deals. I mean, they give some deals. They give some percentage, right? So for that also something in background might be there, which through which those kind of happen, and all those things are concentrated to their business only. I mean, they does not provide the service to the other company. So these were the main reasons, right? Why the company like IBM, Oracle's, or Microsoft has not been included in FANG. Though if you might be thinking that Microsoft is a very big company, I mean, for many it's what to say, a company to die for, right? I mean, uh, when I was in a college, I have seen that. I mean, I did not work. I did not. Studied from Jadavpur University, but I live nearby that. Okay, I mean I live in Kolkata, so we know some news. So one of the guy was there who was uh, trying very hard to get in Microsoft, and he died some in 2012. 2012, yeah. So Microsoft is also a very big company. It's give a good amount also, but due to the business and technological terms, they have not been considered as FANG. So I hope I had able to tell you that what are FANG. Now, uh, why people why people give so much emphasis that okay, I must work on this company. The first of all, they are mainly the product based company, so you will get to know the product knowledge if you are working on there. Secondly, the salary, the package which they give, it's awesome. I mean, you cannot imagine what kind of salary or package you will get from there. Okay. Third, they have maintained their standard. Till now, they have maintained their standard. So, if you work there, you will get respect from the others company also. Now, for me, do I get any opportunity to give an interview in FANG? I would say no. I mean, once I mean, I have applied in Google's, and they have, I would say, they have selected my CV for the screening, but once they screen, they rejected my CV. So it might be I belong from a tier 3 college, or my technology did not match with their requirement or something else. But I know I may, if I get an opportunity in future, then I will definitely try to crack them. So these are the things. I hope you have now able to understand that what are FANG, what it is, which are the companies which are under FANG, and why few other companies like Oracle, Microsoft, IBM, many others are there which has not been considered as a FANG or as a top 5 company in the world, or in America right now, right? I mean, I hope you have liked my video. If you like my video, then please subscribe my channel. So please give your valuable comments also in the bottom, that if anything I have missed, I have tried to make this video as simple as I can, so that it would you all able to understand that okay, what are these, what kind of work they do, so what kind of companies are there. So if you have any queries or any question, please comment. And if you have any suggestions also, or if you have any knowledge regarding this, then please comment in the below. Regarding the interview process, I would say their interview process are fairly awesome. Meaning they will grill you from the top to bottom. Yeah, I mean, I know a few person who have given interview in Google's. I mean, he said that they are Google. Why they are Google? Mean, once he given the interview, he able to understand. Yeah. So what kind of grilling they do? Mean, they try to bring everything out of your mind, that so that they could able to know that who are you and whether you fit for your organization or not. So if you are fang transparent, okay, then I would say make your basic strong. Unless, I mean, if your basic are not strong and you don't know what you are saying and you cannot explain other that what are these things, then it's very difficult to get a job in this kind of company. But if you try hard, if you groom yourself, if you know the technology from, I would say, top to bottom, then nothing is impossible, right? Sky will be your limits. So I hope one day I will also land uh, in those company. Right now I am on service based company TCS, but mm, world is very small. You never know when your luck will change, because I was also working in a very small company. Then I went to IBM, which was once upon a time looks impossible to me. So you don't know when and how a thing will get changed. And uh, I would think same to you also. I mean, try hard. Try to gain knowledge and try to give your best. Then you might also land in this company. So thank you. If you have watched my video, please give your valuable comment. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, then please subscribe my channel. So thank you and bye bye.